Hey guys, funny story. So I was at school. I recorded a math lesson that I thought we were going to be doing tomorrow. Then I was talking to the other first grade teachers after school, and they told me that I was getting way ahead of ourselves, and the lesson that I recorded is not the lesson that we should be on yet. So I came home, I was getting ready to work out, and then I completely remembered that I have to record this lesson. So I'm here in my basement recording this math lesson for you, the correct one this time. My hair is up, I have my workout clothes on because I'm ready to work out because that was my New Year's resolution, remember yesterday? So here I am, and I figured I'd record this lesson first before I got all sweaty, okay? So we have been working on two-digit numbers. Remember, two-digit numbers are numbers that have two numerals. And when I say that, I mean they have two, we could also call it place value. A two-digit number has a tens place and a ones place, okay? Meaning a group of tens and some ones. So just for a quick review, I am going to write. Okay, so I have this chart. This is my place value chart. I have the tens place and the ones place. So when I write numbers in here, you're going to hear me say, you're going to hear me refer to the numbers in their place value places. So if I am this number and I have 1 10 and 5 ones, what number is this? So look at it, 1 10 and 5 ones. Let me hear you say, it's 15. Okay, very good. The number 15 has one group of 10 and 5 ones. If I were to show the number 15 in my 10 frames, I would remember a 10 frame. When it's all filled in, it represents a group of 10. So I would fill in one complete 10 frame, that's my group of 10, and 5 extra ones, right? 1 10 and 5 ones gives me the number 15. Let's do another one just for a quick review. Okay, what if I did, what number is this? I have one group of 10 and 8 ones. Let me show you in my 10 frames first. One group of 10 and 8 ones. One group of 10 and 8 ones makes what number? 18. Good job. So again, this is an example of a two-digit number. There's two numerals. We have a 1 and an 8. And then we have the place value. The number 18 is made up of one group of 10 and 8 ones. Let me show you down here. One group of 10 and 8 ones. Okay, let's talk about, let me just erase. What? No. Okay. Let's talk about this number. And there's a reason why I'm leaving this group of 10s filled. Okay, what if instead of only having one group of 10, what if I had two groups of 10 and no ones? What number would that be? Number with two groups of 10 and 0 ones. Well, down here in my tens frame, I already have one full 10 frame filled. Let me fill this second one because remember I have two groups of 10. So I should have two full, 10 frames. So if I don't know this number just by looking at it, remember how we've been counting by tens? I can use that strategy to help me. So if this is a group of 10 and this is a group of 10 and they're both filled, I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20. Is this the number 20? It is the number 20. So the number 20 is made up of two groups of 10 and no ones. Let's try a different number. Don't distract them. And for this next one, let's see. I'm just going to make another 10 frame. Okay. So, what if I had 3 groups of 10 and no ones? So, let me fill in this 10 frame right here, because remember, a 10 frame, when it's all filled in, equals 10. So, if I don't know this number just by looking at it, I can count by 10s with my 10 frames that are all filled in. So, count with me. 10, 20, 30. Is this the number 30? It is the number 30. The number 30 is made up of 3 groups of 10 and no ones. So you guys, what I'm showing you here is that it's important that you understand that a 2-digit number is made up of a group of 10s and some extra ones. Okay? Repeat after me. A 2-digit number is made up of a group of 10s and some extra ones. And this is called place value. So when we're working with 2-digit numbers and I say, how many 10s are in this number, I want you to imagine the chart, okay? Look, if I didn't have this chart, let's just do this. Let's just say, ooh, this eraser doesn't work very well. Okay, let's put a number up here. Okay, do you know what this number is? Let me hear you say it. 23, good job. This is the number 23. Okay, so we know this number, right? But sometimes it might be hard for some of you to divide this number up into the place value. So if I give you the number 23 and I say how many groups of 10 is in the number 23, I want you to think about this 10s and 1s chart, okay? All I'm going to do is put this number into this chart, right? And this line is going to go right through the middle of the number. So the number 23 has 2 groups of 10 and 3 ones. You see how I figured that out? So if I gave you the number 23 and I said how many groups of 10 are in 23, think of this chart, 2 10s, 3 ones. Okay, so on your assignments today for Seesaw, you're going to be working with 2-digit numbers, and you are going to be finding how many groups of 10s and how many extra ones there are in the number. So thanks for joining me. Sorry I'm looking like a hot mess. I'm getting ready to work out, start my New Year's resolution, and I know you're going to do great on this assignment. I can't wait to see the work that you turn in. Bye, guys.